Assalamu alaikum, dear Arabic learners. I welcome you to my Quranic Arabic Simplified course, lesson number 6. I have shortened the Madinah Arabic books with examples from the Quran so that you learn Quranic Arabic quickly and you begin to understand Quran. I have made the lessons only about 10 minutes long to make Arabic learning easy for you. Please join this Quranic grammar course for 2 or 3 short videos per week. I will try to post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, inshallah, so please do look out for these videos. I am Afifa, and in today's short lesson number 6, we will practice the pronouns from the Quran. Let's begin. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So this is a very important chart. Please memorize the 12 new pronoun forms that you have now studied and mastered, inshallah. We studied definite nouns in lesson number 2. As I said before, pronouns fall in the Arabic category of nouns, and they are always definite, ma'rifatun, though they don't have the marker of al in front of it. So they're definite because they are referring to something specific. So let's look at an example. So let's say in Arabic, where is Aisha? So you would say, Aina Aishatu. And then you answer, Hiya fil gurfati. She is in the room. So let's make 2 observations here. First is that this pronoun hiya, and all pronouns are definite. And the second thing you observe here is that we can begin a sentence with a pronoun, as in this example. And we are calling pronouns detached in Arabic as ad-damirul munfasil. So ad-damir is pronoun and munfasil means detached or separate. They're not attached to a word. Now let's do some detached pronouns from the Quran as examples. So the first verse is Qul huwallahu ahad. So Qul means say. So I want you to notice here that Allahu ahad means Allah is one. So this pronoun huwa, which means he, as we have studied, is extra. It is used here to give emphasis. So in a direct translation, it would be he. Allah is one. So without the pronoun, the sentence is correct, but the pronoun is emphasizing that he, Allah, is one. So another thing I want you to observe is this word ahadun, which means one. And we studied definite and indefinite nouns before, so this is an indefinite noun because it has a tanween. Next verse, wala ana abidum ma abadtum. Wa means and, as I have said before. La is a particle of negation. Inshallah, we will study that in the future. Ana, you should know, as we have been learning this, it means ana abidun, which means worshipper. And what do you observe here? Yes, it is an indefinite noun because it has a tanween. It means a worshipper. Ma has many meanings. Inshallah, we will study during the course. But 2 common meanings are it is used as a negation or it can mean what, as used here in the sense of what. And abattum is a verb to mean you worship, and verbs we will learn in the future, inshallah. Let's now look at a portion of this verse from Surah Baqarah, and here is the verse number. So I'm going to read this to you word by word because I'm explaining it to you, and I'm not going to be joining them as the Quran is read. So the first word here is yubayyin. This is a verb, inshallah, to be learned in the future. Here, lana is 2 words. So la is a preposition, inshallah, future lesson coming up. Na is an attached pronoun. Okay, we studied nahnu, which is we. But when it attaches, which we will study in the future, it changes. So here it is lana to mean for or to us. Okay. Ma, you've just studied a little while ago. It means what. So to make clear to us what here it is. So I want you to pause this video, look up this verse and try to figure out why the pronoun here has been used, which is a feminine pronoun. Okay, so you've looked up the verse. So the reason here is used is because it is referring to the Baqarah, the cow, which is a female. Okay, so that's the reason why this pronoun is here and not huwa. It is it, but it is a feminine. Next verse. Once again, I'm not going to be joining the words since I'm explaining this to you word to word. Ya Adamu uskun. So this is a verb, inshallah, to be studied later. It means dwell. Anta, you. So Allah is talking to Adam alayhi salam, and that's why the masculine anta is used, right? Wa means and. Zawjuka. So zawj means spouse, and ka over here is an attached pronoun. Inshallah, future lesson coming up soon on this. But this anta, when it becomes attached, it becomes ka. It is the masculine you. So it becomes your. So it is your wife, zawjuka. Okay. Al-jannata. So is this definite or indefinite? It is definite. Why? Because of the al in front of it, right? So Allah is saying, O Adam, you and your wife dwell in the garden. Next verse, again I'm reading word to word. Wa and bil akhirati. So we came across be before also, and I said be is a preposition that we will study in the future, but it could mean in, by, with. So the meaning will change a little bit based on the context. So here it is meaning in. Wa bil akhirati. It means in the hereafter or about the hereafter. Okay, and akhirati is definite because it has a al in front of it, the hereafter, right? Okay, hum yuqinun, they are certain. So this is a verb, yuqinun, which we will study in the future, but hum you have already studied now. It means they, and it is the masculine they, right? But remember, we discussed before that hum includes if there are females also. So if there are females in the group, hum can also include both male and females in the group. If you are regular with watching the 2 or 3 short videos that I post per week, you will succeed in mastering Quranic Arabic, inshallah. If this video benefited you, please do like, subscribe, comment, and keep watching these short videos. Subhanaka wa bihamdika la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayka. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.